No, this was not, I don't think it was bad as last time.
No, it came from a different direction. This time it hit us direct down there. But at least, what I saw down here, at least 12 houses destroyed. The water rushed through the houses with the big rocks as big as a toilet laying on the road down there. And then there is new houses built in there, and they have those big packs, 4x2s or 2x4 or whatever. They're all a big pack laying across the street, washed over.
Destroyed the neighborhood then?
Yeah, totally. The water just gushed in rocks, came washing to the road, and went through the houses and destroyed the houses completely inside. If you go down this way, the house on the corner is total down. It's down, the roof and everything, the walls, everything is down. And the next house, they got pushed back in the pond. They have a pond behind it, and it's in there.
Well, yeah, the water was up to this corner, but this low spot, 2 homes that were destroyed are basically sitting right there. There was a yellow home and a blue home.
Oh, they're gone already.
They're gone, and this thing just came up like a river, and it was turning out that way. You'll see all the garbage out.
So there used to be a home right here.
No.
Oh, okay.
The home was down there.
Oh, the home's down there.
Yeah.
But it would go
on the beach.
Oh, okay.
It got washed up to here. There's just a river walking up here. See how high it is. So I wonder what they're doing. Are they just patrolling or? This home was lifted right off of its foundation.
Oh my goodness.
They said it's blocked off.
Yellow house down here got taken off the stilts and just lifted out. It got
I know, I saw that
yellow
one too.
green one.
That little yellow one up here got washed right off too, right on the ocean.
You gotta come down and take some pictures and send them to the owners. They're en route back here.
Well, that's one of your owners back there too, by the way. The guy.
Doing good. Glad to see you down here, guy.
Had to come down and check on brother.
Yeah. Hey, I noticed he has a generator into the house. Does he use it?
He didn't do what I told him to do and it quit.
He was staying in the greenhouse, one of the green piers right over there. And the water was hitting about 6-8 feet underneath the house. And since I'm an engineer and I designed the foundations, it held up. We have like 6 houses lost their steps. 5 houses are shifted completely off the foundations. And minor damage other than that. Almost any of the newer houses that were up on the piers, they held up perfectly. Yeah, it just lost the steps to get up up to the pier level. And we got Harry Kim's house down here, about 3 doors, and he lost his steps. That's all.
Yeah.
And he just replaced them a year ago. Damn it.
Oh.
He got nice new ones in with new paint.
I guess there's only so much you can do with just a giant surge of water.
Yeah, that's the thing. If you look at those green piers, there was like the stable water was 2 to 3 feet down underneath there. And then above that's the 4-foot wave. And the 4-foot wave puts a lot of energy. I mean, wave is in, it's still green when it hit the road here, and then finally peaked and dropped down. So it was nasty as heck. The National Guard, they're actually doing a quick survey, and then FEMA's gonna look at it and decide if they wanna come out and do their own thing after that. So, and the county people, we got some county here. My only plea is we're all asking for get some dumpsters down here. And electric power we probably won't see for at least a week because we're out here in the Putin district. And when you're this far out, we kind of expect it. Yeah.
Thanks for taking the time.
Jack, come here. He just doesn't like bicycles. It's not the people, it's the bicycles he hates. He doesn't do anything more than bark, thank God. Come on, Jack.